Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in the last session, as you know that we had done model test paper 1. So in today's session, I am going to start with the second model test paper, which is given at page number 83. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 83, that is model test paper 2. First of all, I will just write in the topic here, that is model test paper 2, which is given at page number 83. Okay, chale. So let's begin with the topic. First of all, the matching is there. So the first of all, we need to match the answers with the correct clues or the pictures. The A1 is, these mammals have scales instead of hair on their bodies. So now we are talking about the animals, those who have, the mammals, those who don't have hair, instead of that they are having scales. उनके body पे scales होते हैं, quite very sharp scales they are having on their body, so that they can protect themselves with their scales. So what is the name of that animal? That is pangolin. So pangolin is the mammal which have scales on their body, okay, instead of hair. So the answer for the question number 1, A1 is, that is option number 3, pangolin. So the third picture. The answer for the option number A is picture number 3, that is of pangolin. That is pangolin. The B1, this sport includes using wooden hammers to hit balls through rings that are fixed to the ground. So now we are talking about the sports, those which is having the wooden hammer, जिसके ऊपर wooden hammer है, okay, and this is played with a wooden hammer, and there are small rings that are being attached to the ground, and the player he hits to or she hits to hit the ball. वो ball hit करते हैं with that wooden hammer, and that ball needs to pass through this ring that is already fixed on the ground. So what is the name of this sport? So this is croquet. So this sports is known as croquet. So you can see the picture, in the picture 1, the croquet, the girl is playing a croquet game. Okay, so the answer for the B1 is picture number 1, that is croquet. That is croquet. C-R-O-Q-U-E-T. That is croquet. C1, the C is, these are snake-like fishes found in ocean, seas, freshwater lakes and rivers. So now we are talking about the fishes which look like snakes. So these are known as eels. So the fishes, those who look like snakes, so वो होती fish हैं, but उनकी जो body structure है, that is like a snake. So they are quite big like the snakes. So that's why they are fishes, but they look like snakes. So what is the name of these fishes? They are eels, and there are different species of eels, okay, but all the species they are known as eels. Okay, so the answer is picture number 2, that is eels. E-E-L-S, that is eels. Moving next to the D1. The D is, this is the Jewish festival of lights. Candles are lit every night, special games are played and traditional dishes are prepared. So what is the Jewish festival of lights? So we Indians, we have celebrated this festival of lights of India, that is Diwali. Okay, now we are talking about the Jewish festival of light. So Jewish is a religion, okay, the people those who follow Jewish religion, they also celebrate a festival of light that is known as Hanukkah. So like जैसे कि हम अपने दिवाली वाले दिन हम क्या what we used to do, we wear new clothes, we play games, we enjoy with sweets, dishes are prepared by your mothers, okay. So similarly, the Jewish festival of lights is known as Hanukkah. That is the picture number 5, Hanukkah. So Hanukkah is the Jewish festival of light, H-U-N-U-K-K-A. Hanukkah, that is Hanukkah. So Hanukkah is the Jewish festival of lights. Moving next to the Ivan. These flowers have bright yellow petals surrounding a disc. The seeds of this plant are pressed to produce oil. So now we are talking about the plants. Okay, they have yellow petals. येलो कलर की पेटल्स होती है, जो फूल की पत्तियां होती है उसको पेटल्स बोलते हैं. Okay, they have yellow petals. Okay, and that is like a disc. So that is completely round in shape like a disc. And when we press the seeds of these flower, it will produce oil. उसमें से oil निकलेगा. We can extract oil from the seeds of this flower. So the what is the name of this flower? This is sunflower. The picture number 4, that is of a sunflower. That is of sunflower. Okay, sunflower. So these are the answers from A to E. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the B part, that is identify the picture. The B part is identify the picture and write the name. Okay, so the first picture, this is the first picture. So this picture is of the founder of Apple Incorporation. So Apple iPhones, आप सबको पता है. So the founder of Apple is Steve Jobs. So the first picture is of Steve Jobs. The first picture is of Steve Jobs. Moving next to the second one. The second picture is of a chimpanzee. So this is one of the breed of monkeys. Okay, so he is chimpanzee. The second picture is of chimpanzee. Moving next to the third one. So third picture is one of the very famous Indian business tycoon. He is Ratan Tata, the chairman of Tata Group. Okay, the third picture is of Ratan Tata. He is also the chairman of Tata Group. The fourth picture is of ATM machine. So what is the use of ATM machine? So we use ATM machine to withdraw cash, and nowadays we can also even deposit cash also with the use of ATM machine. Okay, so the fourth picture is of ATM machine. ATM machine. So the fourth picture is of ATM machine. Moving to the last picture. So the last picture is of one of the very famous children author. Okay, not children author, you can say. So he is one of the very famous author among the children's, because he writes the children's stories for children and the novels for the children. So who is he? He is Roald Dahl. So he is Roald Dahl. So he is one of the very famous author, Roald Dahl. R-O-A-L-D, Roald Dahl. D-A-H-L, Roald Dahl. Okay, so these are the answers from 1 to 5. The first is Steve Jobs, second chimpanzee, third Ratan Tata, fourth ATM machine, fifth is Roald Dahl. Chalo. Moving next to the C part, that is the Phillips. The C part is Phillips. Okay, so the question number 1 is, it is a milky extract collected from the rubber tree. It is used to make natural rubber. So now we are talking about then a milky extract, a liquid extract that is being extracted from a tree. Okay, and that is extracted from the rubber tree. तो जो रबर ट्री है उससे एक लिक्विड सा निकलता है वाइट कलर का, मिल्की जैसा, दूध जैसा. ओके, सो व्हाट वी कॉल इट, सो दैट इज नोन एज, दैट लिक्विड इज नोन एज लेटेक्स. उसको क्या बोला था, दैट इज नोन एज लेटेक्स. सो लेटेक्स इज अ मिल्की substance that is extracted from the rubber tree and which is used for making the rubber items like tires, okay, shoes, all the rubber items that are being made from this latex only. Okay, so that milky extract collected from the rubber tree, it is used to make natural rubber. So what is the name of that extract? That is latex. The first is latex, Latex. Okay, so we are doing fill in the blanks. C1, fill in the blanks. Moving next to the second one. The second is, this ringed planet is also known as the jewel of solar system. So which planet is known as the jewel of solar system? That is Saturn. So Saturn is known as the jewel of solar system. तो Saturn को jewel of solar system कहा जाता है. Okay, so solar system में जितने भी planets हैं, so the Saturn is known as the jewel of solar system and it has rings around it. Okay, so maybe that's why. So jewel of solar system is Saturn. Saturn. So Saturn is known as the jewel of solar system. The next is, this region is made up of Norway, Sweden and Denmark. So when we talk about the Norway, Sweden and Denmark, so all these countries, they are included in which region? So all these three countries, Norway, Sweden and Denmark, they are included in Scandinavia. So that are included in Scandinavia. So that is Scandinavia. So write down the answer for the third one is, that is Scandinavia. 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 So Scandinavia region includes all the countries like Norway, Sweden and Denmark. Okay. Next, the fourth one. This animal is also known as painted dog because of its patched fur. So which animal is known as painted dog? So that is African wild dogs. So African wild dogs, they are known as painted animals. Or sorry, painted dog. Okay. अब क्यों कहा जाता है? Because they have some patched fur. उनकी जो fur है, they are quite patched. Patches बने हुए उनके fur के ऊपर. Second thing, unlike the other dogs, बाकी dogs के कितने होते हैं? Okay, बाकी dogs के ears अलग होते हैं, and they have round ears. उनकी जो shape of ears is like this. So they have round ears, unlike other dogs, and बाकी जो dogs होते हैं, they have 5 toes and they have only 4. So they are quite different in every aspect from the other normal dogs that we keep in our homes. So that's why they are known as painted dogs. So this animal is also known as painted dog because of its patched fur. The answer is African wild dogs. So the answer for the fourth one is African wild dogs. These are African wild dogs. The fifth, this is an annual field hockey tournament held in Malaysia. So now we are talking about an annual tournament of hockey that is held in Malaysia. So the name of this tournament is Sultan Azlan Shah Cup. Okay, so this is an annual event that is organized in the Malaysia only, and the name of the event is Sultan Azlan Shah Cup. Okay, and that is a field hockey tournament. जो hockey जो है, okay, that is an annual hockey tournament of, okay, field hockey tournament. So the answer is Azlan, A-Z-L-A-N, that is Azlan Shah Cup. That is Azlan Shah Cup. So these are the answers from 1 to 5. The first is the latex. So that is a liquid substance that is extracted from the rubber tree which is used for making rubbers. Second is the Saturn. So Saturn is one of the planets in our solar system, and it is also known as the jewel of solar system. Next is Scandinavia. So that is a region that includes Norway. These include the countries of Norway, Sweden, and the Denmark. Fourth is African wild dogs. So these African wild dogs, they are also known as painted dogs. Fifth is Al Azlan Shah Cup. So it is the name of a cup that is an annual field hockey tournament held in Malaysia. So you can pause the video and write down the answers from 1 to 5 from here. Chaliye. Moving next to the sixth one. Okay, so the sixth one is, this water sport has strokes such as freestyle, butterfly, backstroke and the breaststroke. So now we are talking about the one of the water sports जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे strokes हैं, freestyle, butterflies, backstroke and the breaststroke. So these all are the forms of swimming. So now we are talking about the sports, that is water sport, that is swimming. So this breaststroke, backstroke, okay, butterfly, freestyle. So these all are the forms of swimming. So write the answer for the sixth one, that is swimming. That is swimming. The seventh one, this is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast India. So which is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India? The answer is Loktak Lake. So Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast India. Okay, so the freshwater lake is, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India is Loktak Lake. Loktak, that is Loktak Lake. The largest freshwater lake in northeast India. The eighth one, this is an international tournament held every 4 years that Brazil has won for 5 times. Okay, so now we are talking about an international tournament जो कि हर 4 साल में होता है. So that is held after every 4 years, and the Brazil has already won this for the 5 times. So now we are talking, because we are talking about one of very popular sports of Brazil, that is football. European countries, हमारी country में cricket is quite a very popular sport. So in the European countries, the football is also one of the very popular sports. Now the question is, this is an international tournament held every 4 years that Brazil has won 5 times. So the name of the sports is, that is FIFA World Cup. That is FIFA World Cup. And Brazil has already won the FIFA World Cup for the 5 times. Ninth one. This story is about a boy and his adventures inside a chocolate factory of the crazy candy maker Willy Wonka. So now we are talking about a story of a boy. So that is a story of that is in one of the novels. Okay, and in this story, the boy, okay, this is a story of a boy about his adventures when he went to a chocolate factory and he met a candy maker there, and he just completely enjoying that chocolate factory. So where he found everything is in chocolate. So what is the name of the story? So this is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So the name of the story is Charlie, Charlie, Charlie and the Chocolate, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Moving to the last one. Situated on the Black Sea coast, this historic city in Turkey is a major port. So Turkey is located in which country? So Turkey is located in Istanbul. So this is one of the historic city of Istanbul. Istanbul. So this is from the page number 83. So we have completed page number 83 now. So these are the answers from 6 to 10. Okay. So this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.